Hi, I'm Alex Margavicius, Commissioner of Cleveland Water. With the below freezing temperatures we've been experiencing, I'd like to take some time to remind our customers how to prevent frozen plumbing. Frozen water pipes can lead to significant damage and costly repairs. Pipes that are most at risk for freezing are those in unheated spaces, such as garages, basements, and attics. Pipes running along exterior walls or under cabinets are also vulnerable. If you live in an older home or have experienced frozen pipes before, your plumbing is more susceptible to freezing. But there are a few simple steps you can take now to save you hassle and expense later. Run a small flow of water from a faucet during the worst of a cold spell, especially overnight. Keep windows and doors near exposed plumbing tightly closed or sealed shut. Open kitchen and bathroom cabinet doors to allow warmer air to circulate around plumbing. Increase the temperature in a room with plumbing you know is prone to freezing. And if you plan to be away from home, leave the heat on, set to a temperature no lower than 55 degrees Fahrenheit. While the increased heat or running water may add a few dollars to your utility bills, that cost is nothing compared to that of repairing a frozen pipe or the damage to your home if it bursts. If you do have a frozen pipe, you should address it as soon as possible before it ruptures. You can contact a licensed plumber or try to thaw it yourself if you can identify where the ice blockage is located. To thaw a pipe, increase heat in the room where the frozen pipe is located by turning up the thermostat or using a space heater. Apply direct heat to the frozen pipe using a heat lamp, heating pad, hair dryer, or heat tape. Be sure to follow safety guidelines when using electric appliances, and never use a blowtorch or open flame to thaw pipes. If a frozen pipe ruptures, shut off the water at the main valve and contact a plumber. Make sure you know where your main valve is located so you quickly find it. Most often, it's located in a basement or crawl space on the front side of your property. As a reminder, frozen plumbing and frozen meters are often the responsibility of property owners. If your meter freezes, unfortunately, you'll need to contact us for a replacement one before your water service can be restored, and you'll be charged a replacement fee. You can find more information on our website at clevelandwater.com or social media channels.